Run a job fair. Job fairs are excellent venues not just to look for jobs but also to widen one's network of potentially useful contacts. You can never know when you will need someone from a particular industry. If you want to make your own job fair, you can read on the tips below to serve as guiding principles on how to make your own successful event. A job fair is also a great way to create money, so read on and see if this is something you will be interested in. You will need a venue for the job fair, preferably a warehouse or other venues that are wide and open. Materials that you will need: tables and chairs for each participant company, ample lighting and extensions, tents, optional, contact for suppliers of printed matters, foam boards for signage, etc. Marketing your job fair. Once you have a final venue and set of contacts for supplies, write a marketing letter for your job fair and send it out to companies around your area. You can also make a soft copy of this letter and send it via an HTML mail. Make sure that you have your contact information in mobile, landline and email form, as well as the names of the persons assigned for reservation of slots. Send out the letters as soon as you have finalized the venue for the job fair. Make sure that you have an RSVP date so that they can schedule when they need to decide if they want a spot in your event. Getting your logistics ready. Once you have the first batch of confirmed attendance, make reservations for your chair and table suppliers. Typically, 4 chairs are assigned per company, and if they want to add more, they can bring in their own stuff or they can rent from you at an extra fee. Make sure that each spot has an electrical plug and a table, plus some space to put up a banner. In your floor plan, place higher rental rates on premium spots such as corner booths or those that are centrally located in your venue. Making sure you are connected to the internet. Once you have your paper supplies ready, make sure you are connected to the internet with a decent speed. Lousy internet connection spells doom for any event, so make sure you have contacted a reputable ISP. To be extra safe, have 2 ISPs for your event so that if something happens to the other network, you have a backup plan. Just secure the network details and hand out the credentials to the registered participants on the day of the event. Advertising your job fair. It is also necessary that the regular folks know about your event. Put up posters in coffee shops, grocery stores, and the like. If you can post in community boards, universities, and other crowded areas, better. Send out copies of your ads to radio stations and newspapers several weeks in advance. You should also send out letters to possible tie-up companies or sponsors or to those who want to market their products in your event. Once you have all the necessary materials in check, all you need to do is to make sure you have enough participants so that your venue is at least 75% full. If not, try to lease your space to food concessionaires or other vendors so that your event will not look dejected.